Hello guys, this is a SatoWallet channel. This is a tutorial on how to use SatoWallet app. Well, first you have to visit the SatoWallet website, www.satowallet.com here, and then there are three versions of the app. There is one on Play Store, App Store, and there is a Windows version as the PC one. Well, I've already downloaded the PC version on my PC, and I have signed in. So if you don't have an account, you can just sign in with your email, password, and your Google. That is a function, Google AET function. It's for security on how to secure your funds. Your funds are actually on cold storage. So this is the amount I have in USD. And if you first we are going to use Bitcoin. You can scroll down, and here is Bitcoin. You can view the details here. Yeah, okay. And you can go back and search Bitcoin here in the search bar. BTC. You see that is Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Spectrum, and Bitcoin. So we're going to use Bitcoin. So you just click on Bitcoin here, and well, these are like the transactions. You can click on all transactions, and if you want to send, you can just click on the send button here and type. This is the address. You can type in the address and the amount. Okay, see the amount. There is a function here. If you click here, it actually decrease. It goes down, and if you click this one, it kind of goes up, and this one changes automatically the fee deducted, and this is the amount in USD equivalent, the equivalent amount in USD, and this is the equivalent amount the fee deducted in USD too. And you can add a comment here, like for example, hey, and then you can click on transfer. Okay, for example, let's click. But this address is not a valid address. Could not withdraw. Yeah. Okay, that's okay. And receive. If you want to send, you just have to scan the this barcode here, and then you'll be able to send. Okay, let's see how you can swap coins. Okay, I'll swap coins. You can click on here. You see the list of coins on the app. Then here is Bitcoin. Click on Bitcoin, then okay. And okay, for example, from Bitcoin to, let's see, from Bitcoin to ABJ Coin Commerce, for example. Click here, and then amount to swap. 1 Bitcoin is equivalent to 96,390 ABJ, and 6,000 is equivalent to $6,341. So, and then there is the exchange function here. It's called the market. Well, these are the coins: BTC to ABJ, BTC to BCH, BTC to, like, these are all the coins. And if you want to like narrow it down to BTC only, just type BTC in the search bar, and it will show you all the coins that you can use to exchange with BTC. Okay, for example, let's use BTC with Ether. Okay. Well, this here is the amount in Ether. Here, amount in BTC. Here is the buy function, and here is the selling function. If you want to sell 1 Ether, 1 BTC. Okay, this is the if you want to buy, you can just click on here. Sell, you can click on here too. This is the trade record of today's trade from BTC to Ether, and this record kind of refreshes itself every 24 hours. And here are my orders. You see, you can cancel. If you don't want it, you can cancel and make a new one. And here is the history of transactions. So here is the history of the transactions today, and this is the Google AUT function. So you can save and enable AUT, and you can disable it right here. This is very important because it's for the safety of your funds. And fiat currency, this is where you can change your currency. So for example, right now we are using USD. Okay, let's use euro. Okay, you click on here, then say okay. It will load, and then it will change to euro. Okay, you see currency has been changed. Okay, let's check my coins. You see, before here it was USD, and now it's euro. Okay. Well, and you see this here is exchange. That's the market. And here is the same function too. You click on my coins. This buy and sell, the same thing with this exchange function right there. See, it takes you directly to the market. So, well, thank you guys. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial.